topics of simple machines. Under that, we are going to see the 6 topics, which are pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw, wheel and axle, lever, and the second topic is types of lever, book exercise and question answers. Shall we move into the first topic, which is simple machines. Simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. In our daily life, our effort is saved with the help of some simple machines. We draw water from the well with the help of wheel and a rope. Some examples for simple machines are pulley, wedge, inclined plane, screw, lever, wheel and axle. Let's see about the pulley in detail now. Pulley. Observe the picture. Which is easier, lifting the load with the help of pulley or without a pulley? Yes, with a pulley is very easier. A pulley is a machine made up of a wheel with a cut around it. A rope or chain passes around the pulley. It rotates in the direction with more force. Example, crane. So you have understood about the pulley. Now we are going to see about the inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat, sloping surface with one end higher than another. Example, ramp, slide and slope for wheelchair. Now we are going to see about the next topic, wedge. A wedge is a tool with a sharp edge which can be used to split materials. It is used to break wooden logs into two small pieces. Example, knife, scissors and axe. Now we are going to see about the screw. The screw is used to raise weights and to hold objects together. Example, pencil sharpener, screw jack, bottle cap and windmill. The screw in the bottle cap holds the cap and the bottle together. The blade and the sharpener are held together by a screw. Now you have understood about the screw. Now we are going to see about the wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consists of a wheel attached to a small rod so that these two parts rotate together. Example, bicycle wheel, doorknob, grinder, axle, wheel. Now we are going to see about the lever. A lever is used to multiply the force we give on an object. Example, seesaw, nutcracker and pillar. Now we are going to see about the types of lever. Types of lever is divided into class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. Before that, we want to know about the load, effort and fulcrum. What is load? Load is the object on which the force is applied. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Fulcrum is the point on which the lever rotates. Lever is classified into 3 types according to where the load and effort are located with respect to fulcrum. Now we are going to see about the class 1 lever. When the fulcrum is in between the effort and the load, it is known as class 1 lever. Example, scissors, pilers, seesaw. Class 2 lever. When the load is in between the effort and the fulcrum, it is known as class 2 lever. Example, wheelbarrow, lemon squeezer, nutcracker. Class 3 lever. In this lever, the effort is in between the load and the fulcrum. Example, stapler, tucks, broomsticks and hockey stick. Now we are going to see the book activity. They have given 3 pictures. Name the load, effort and the fulcrum. In the first picture, the first number says effort, second number says fulcrum and the third one is load. In the second picture, first number is fulcrum, second one is effort and third is load. In the third picture, first one is effort and second one is load and third number is fulcrum. Now we are going to see the second exercise. In this, you want to identify and mention the types of simple machine. The first picture, you can see what? Axe. Yes, it is of wedge shape. In the second picture, you can see a floor with high and low. So it is an inclined plane. The third picture, you can see a seesaw. Right. You all like? No? Yes, it is of lever type. And the fourth picture, you can see the wheel and the rod. So, it is what? Yes, wheel and axle. In the fifth picture, you can see pulley. Yes. And the sixth picture, you can see the bottle cap. We can close and open. So, it is of screw type. So, first is wedge, second one is inclined plane, third is lever, fourth is wheel and axle, fifth is pulley, and the sixth is screw. Now we are going to see the next activity. Types of simple machines and example. For pulley, what is the example? Crane. For wheel and axle, grinder. For wedge, axe. For inclined plane, ramp. For lever, seesaw. For screw, bottle cap. Yes, you have all understood about the three activities. Now we are going to see the book exercise. Phillips, force is required to shift the object. The capacity to do work is called energy. We get energy from food. We draw water from the well with the help of wheel and a rope. Sun, wind and water are renewable resources. The SI unit of energy is joule. Work is said to be done when a force is acting on it. Simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. Fulcrum is the point on which the lever rotates. And the 10th one is the resources which are not easily replaced once used are called non-renewable resources. Grinder is an example for wheel and axle. And the second Roman letter is choose the correct answer. Work is said to be done when a force is acting on it. The ability to do work is called energy. Pulley is a machine made up of wheel and rope. Simple machine help us to make our work easier. An example of inclined plane is ramp. Sixth one, force is a push or pull that moves an object. Petrol is an example for non-renewable resources. Energy obtained from sun is solar energy. Seesaw is an example for lever type of machines, and coal is a non-renewable energy. Match the following. Class 2 lever is nutcracker. Pulley is drawing water. Class 1 lever is seesaw. Wheel and axle is bicycle. Renewable resources is wind. True or false? The ability to do work is called energy. True. Draw water from the well. This action represents the pull. False. Coal and petroleum are renewable resources. False. A pulley is a machine made up of wheel and a rope. True. Sun, wind and water are renewable resources. True. Pick out the odd one. Sun, wind and water, petrol. Petrol is the odd one because sun, wind, water are renewable. Pulley, inclined plane, screw, electric energy. Electric energy is the odd one because these were the simple machine, and electric energy is the energy source. Coal, petrol, diesel and sun. Gold, petrol and diesel were the non-renewable source, and sun is the renewable source. Answer the following. Unit of energy is joule. Simple machines you want to write 6. And what is known as first order lever? Fulcrum is in between effort and load is known as first order. Example, scissors and seesaw. Lemon juice belong to which type of lever? Why? Lemon juice belong to class 2 lever because the load is in between the effort and the fulcrum. Define work. Work is said to be done when the force is acting on it. 3 types of energies: renewable, non-renewable, electric energy and chemical energy. Detail is differentiate between the renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are obtained naturally and can be used again and again. Example, sun, wind and water, whereas non-renewable resources cannot be replaced and we cannot be used again and again. Example, petrol, coal, oil, etc. Second type is explain the type of lever with example. There are 3 types of lever: class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. Class 1 lever, when the fulcrum is in between the effort and the load, is known as class 1 lever. Example, seesaw and scissors. Class 2 lever, when the load is in between the effort and the fulcrum, is known as class 2 lever. Example, nutcracker, lemon juice. Class 3 lever, when the effort is in between the load and the fulcrum, it is known as class 3 lever. Example, broomstick and hockey stick. You have all understood about the simple machines. Thank you, students. Be safe.